Feel the ground tremble as towering trees crash down with precision, driven by the raw power of forestry machines and the fearless spirit of loggers. Every cut tells a story of strength, skill, and courage. Get ready for a journey you'll never forget. Standing before a colossal 500-year-old Douglas fir, a majestic symbol of nature's grandeur, the skilled worker approaches with precise cuts, blending expertise with profound respect. Immersed in his mission to reveal the pristine beauty of the deep forest, he's ready to conquer this ancient giant. Are you ready to witness how he does it? When power meets precision, even giants must fall. A skilled worker and an unstoppable saw take down the towering titans of the forest. The air hums with anticipation as steel meets bark, creating a symphony of strength. Prepare to witness the majestic sight of a giant bowing before its master. Rotten trees always pose a hidden danger. Be cautious and make sure to run quickly after the final cut. Heavy hauling is a high-stakes endeavor where experience and precision take center stage. These professionals masterfully strike a delicate balance between power and control, ensuring that every load reaches its destination safely and efficiently. John Deere 1110E, more like John Deere does it all. This machine is truly a superhero on steep slopes, packing a maximum power of 183 horsepower at 1,900 RPM. But fair warning, your wallet needs to be just as robust, as it comes with a hefty price tag of around $350,000. So do you want to own it? If yes, drop a 1 in the comments below. Look at this courageous man, cutting down a tree engulfed in flames to mitigate wildfire risks. As helicopters swoop overhead, dropping water, he remains focused on his mission. Every swing of his chainsaw helps control the fire, stopping it from spreading further. His bravery in battling nature's fury is nothing short of inspiring. Are you ready to travel back to the 1940s with the Corley saw? Powered by a Detroit diesel 371 engine delivering 70 to 100 horsepower, this setup perfectly blends classic technology with impressive performance. This system not only showcases the innovation of 20th century engineering, but also provides remarkable efficiency in wood processing, embodying timeless value. Well, is life really that boring that these two guys decided to have a tree climbing contest? Don't try this at home unless you're ready for some serious trouble. John Deere 640H is a powerful forestry skidder with a high-performance engine delivering 160 horsepower, ensuring exceptional efficiency, capable of handling up to 50 tons of timber per hour. Can this machine conquer such challenging terrain? Let's wait and see. Take a look at this man. With just a few swift strokes of the saw, the massive tree is taken down. He looks incredibly professional. Wouldn't it be amazing to witness this in person?
Yeah, right in the middle. Big hole.
It's definitely better to lose a saw than to lose a leg, right, folks? When mounted on the Takuchi TB175 excavator, the Dennis Samath Dow 80C becomes a top-tier solution for cutting and processing wood. With a hydraulic flow requirement of 65 liters per minute at 240 bar pressure, equivalent to about 54 horsepower, it effortlessly handles trees with diameters up to 10 centimeters. Isn't it a real beast? Situated in central British Columbia, Prince George serves as a hub for logging operations. The region's lodgepole pine forests are harvested using advanced machinery like the Tigercat L855 SE harvester. Equipped with a leveling system for slopes and a high-capacity delimbing head, this machine maximizes efficiency while adhering to sustainable forestry practices, minimizing environmental impact. Imagine sitting in the Eco 688, rotating 360 degrees to take in the forest before making precise cuts. Paired with the Wara H415, capable of cutting trees up to 750 millimeters in diameter with a driving force of 27 to 42 kN, it delivers flawless performance while elevating your work experience. Never underestimate the role of chance. Even with the best preparations, a falling tree is a formidable force, and respecting its unpredictable nature is crucial for both safety and success. Behold the unstoppable Evo Lara, a powerful beast unleashed to conquer every challenge in the forestry industry. Mud, sludge, and treacherous terrain bow to its overwhelming strength. Boasting an impressive 400 horsepower, this machine delivers a staggering transport efficiency of up to 20 tons of timber per hour, proving that no obstacle is too great to overcome. Ever seen a monster truck battling its way through a muddy forest? It's an adrenaline-packed spectacle. These pros tackle insanely slippery slopes with mind-blowing heavy equipment. It's a true test of skill and an absolute thrill to watch. Unleash the power and durability of the Stihl MS362 chainsaw. With a 4.69 horsepower engine, the MS362 handles any type of wood with ease and remarkable efficiency. Make it your perfect companion for every cutting task, delivering superior performance and unmatched satisfaction on the job. Priced between $750 and $830, the Stihl MS362 is a worthy investment for reliability and productivity. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like, share it with your friends, and hit the subscribe button for more exciting content. Don't forget to click on the video at the corner of the screen to check out more captivating videos. See you in the next one.